Hello guys, it's me Karthik. Hope you guys are doing really good. So let's say there is some Flipkart or Amazon, there is a big billion days happening, and they will keep on send us the emails like these many products are there, these are the offers and all. So am I only the one who receives that email? No, right? There will be lots of people, right? So they are sending this bulk email in order to market themselves. Okay, so this bulk email with the help of SendGrid we are going to learn as part of playlist. Okay, some tech companies, not just some, lot of tech companies will have their own SMTP servers where they will manage these IPs and all the infrastructures in order to send emails, right? So in my previous organization they have this email server and will simply connect to it to send. But there were some other vendors like SendGrid, which is a cloud-based SMTP server provider where they will take care of the infra. You just need to connect to this via your API key, and you need to farm this email object and you can send it directly. Okay, so that's where this SendGrid comes into picture. So this playlist we are going to explore some of the features. Okay, and in order to connect to SendGrid, what we need to do is we need to create an application so that it will give you one unique key, and it verifies that unique key when you are trying to send. Okay, so how we can generate and how to create a Spring Boot application, what are the libraries we needed for the sending it, that we're going to discuss now. Okay, so so first of all, I'm at a Spring starter. Okay, okay, and I'll creating a new project for this. Okay, something like bulk emails. Bulk emails, and let me keep com dot emails. Okay, and here I am using 3.2.0 and Maven project Java 17, and packaging is var. Okay, and the dependencies are like, as of now, let me take Spring Web and Lombok. Click on generate. This will only give us that library, that Spring Boot application. Okay, so this is the normal steps, right? Let me copy paste it in some place. Let me extract this. Okay, this is my folder, right? So let's open our IntelliJ. In the meantime, what is the library we needed to connect to this SendGrid here? Okay, so this is a library we needed, guys, in order to connect to the SendGrid. Java, which is the latest version, is this. Okay, so if you go back a bit, these are the versions they have. They updated the latest version here as well, November 17th. Okay, this we can use it directly. Okay, this is fine. Then in the meantime, my IntelliJ is happening, right? Okay, so what is a website and how we can create those things is just open SendGrid. You need to create an account, guys. First of all, you need to create an account, which is a free version. Also you can take it. No, start for free here, then here you can create a account. Since I have already created, I have logged in here. Then if you go here to the left side, email API integration guide. Okay, if you go here, then here you can create a project, and that will give us that key. Okay, go to the web API. Okay, in the web API, select Java. So here something like demo is my first API key name is, let's say, like demo. Click on create. Okay, so this is my key, guys, which is very important for me. So I'll keep this in my some place, let's say like notepad as of now. Later I'll try to use that. Okay, this is my key. Let me keep it. That's all you need to do. Other things we'll see. Okay, so my IntelliJ is also started. Let me open that project which I have created just now. Oh, I think it is opening so many. Just a minute. Let me close this. Okay, open. Then inside this, I have where is that? Bulk emails, right? So this guy, let me click on open. This will open the project. In the meantime, let me copy paste the latest version. This is the latest version of Maven. Okay, it is a Maven project, right? Go here in the dependency section. You simply add the dependency. Okay, SendGrid dependency. Okay, and here somewhere in the resources, here application properties, let me keep like SendGrid dot key, whatever the key that I have copied, let me keep it here. I have kept it here, right? Okay, so let me take that and keep it here. Yeah, I think until this is sufficient, guys. In later tutorials we'll see what we can do. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Thank you. It's Mika.